Hi everyone, this is a quick head wrap. Let me show you how to achieve this style. I'm working with 4 layers of ashoke, so I started by pleating it. Watch how I'm going to place this on my head. The measurement is 60-40, okay? So I'm going to take the measurement. After measuring it, the next thing is to cross it. I'll cross it, then take the 40 parts to this other side again and tuck the remaining in. I'll wrap it, then tuck it in. After tucking it in, now I want to cover the center, but if you don't want, you can leave yours like that. So I want to cover it. I'm going to drag the one at the back here to cover the center. After covering it, the next thing is to secure with a pin. So watch how I'm securing this. Don't forget to practice after watching so that you can be able to tie this head wrap by yourself, okay? This is the outcome. This is the back, how the back looks after securing. So to work with this system now, I'm going to flip this to the back, fold it into two, then hold this middle. See where I'm going to hold it, plait it down. Okay, then I'll create some ruffles at the middle. So watch my hand and see what I'm doing so you can be able to achieve this by yourself. I'm going to secure here with a pin before I'll continue to create the ruffles. Okay, so after securing, I'll continue to create the ruffles at the middle there. Watch my hand and see how I'm creating it. You can see it is very easy and very simple to achieve. So I'll continue to create these ruffles. After creating it, I'll take it to the back. That's the remaining. I'm taking it here to the back to secure with a pin. So after securing, it's just to arrange it. You can see it is very easy and very simple. Don't forget to share this video out to your friends and your family so they can learn how to tie their head wrap by themselves. Where are you watching me from? Is it from Canada, UK, US? Which of the African countries are you watching me from? Write it at the comment section. Thank you very much for doing that. So now I'm done securing. I'm arranging it now. So once I'm done, that will be the end. So how do you see this head wrap? Write it at the comment section. This is the end product. This is the side, the back, and the front. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate. See you in my next video. Bye bye.